last video, we have seen about polynomial, constant, variable, algebraic term, algebraic expressions, types of polynomials, etc. In today's video, we'll learn more about zeros of a polynomial. So what do you mean by zero of a polynomial? Let p of x be a polynomial, and if p of a equal to 0, then we can say that a is a zero of the polynomial p of x. Or finding zeros of the polynomial p of x means solving the equation p of x equal to 0. So what does this mean? Let us take an example. We want to find out zero of the polynomial x plus 5. So x plus 5 is a polynomial. We know that it is a binomial. Now x plus 5 I can represent as p of x. P of x means, we'll read this as p of x. P of x means this is a polynomial in the variable x. If I write p of y means this is a polynomial in the variable y. For example, p of y equal to y square plus 5. So this is a polynomial in the variable y. If I write p of s means it will be a polynomial in the variable s. Now how to solve this? So we want to find zero of the polynomial p of x equal to x plus 5. So what you have to do is finding the zeros of the polynomial p of x means solving the equation p of x equal to 0. So equate p of x equal to 0 means x plus 5 equate to 0. Find the value of the variable x. So x is equal to minus 5. So I can say minus 5 is a zero of this polynomial. So that is given here. Let p of x be a polynomial. If p of a equal to 0, then we can say that a is a zero of this polynomial. So here zero of this polynomial is minus 5. Zero of the polynomial means you have to equate to 0, solve that equation, find out the value of the variable x, that will give you 0 of the polynomial. 4 different type of questions can be asked from this topic. So the first question is, find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x equal to minus 1. So we will write, let what polynomial they have given as p of x. P of x is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Now we want to find the value of this polynomial at x equal to minus 1. So wherever x is there, you are going to substitute minus 1. Find the value of the polynomial at x equal to minus 1 means we need to find out p of minus 1. So 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 the whole square plus 3. So which is equal to 5 into minus 1 is minus 5 minus minus 1 the whole square is 1. So it is minus 4 plus 3, which is equal to minus 9 plus 3, and the answer is minus 6. Now second question is, find p of 2 for this polynomial. P of x is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. So p of x they have given as x minus 1 into x plus 1. We need to find out p of 2. P of 2 means 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1, which is equal to 1 into 3. The answer is 3. So find p of 2 for the polynomial p of x means in the place of x you need to substitute 2. Now one more example. Find p of 1 for the polynomial p of y equal to y square minus y plus 1. So they have given p of y equal to y square minus y plus 1. We need to find out p of 1, which is equal to 1 square minus 1 plus 1. So 1 square is 1 minus 1 plus 1. This will get cancelled. So the answer is 1. The next type of question is, verify whether x equal to minus 1 by 3 is a zero of this polynomial. So how will you verify x equal to minus 1 by 3 is a zero of this polynomial p of x equal to 3x plus 1? We know that if x equal to minus 1 by 3 is a zero of the polynomial, then if you substitute the value in the place of x, you should get the answer 0. So 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1, Let us simplify this. 3 and 3 cancel. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So we can say that x equal to minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of this polynomial p of x equal to 3x plus 1. So verify whether x equal to minus m by l is a 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to lx plus m. So p of x equal to lx plus m, we need to verify that whether minus m by l is a 0 of this polynomial. So you need to find out minus m by l, p of minus m by l. Wherever x is there, substitute minus m by l. If you get the answer 0, then you can say that x is equal to minus m by l is a 0 of this polynomial. So l into minus m by l plus m, so we'll get cancel. Minus m plus m equal to 0. So we can say that x is equal to minus m by l is a 0 of this polynomial. Find 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to 3x minus 2. To find out 0 of this polynomial, you need to equate 3x minus 2 equal to 0 and solve for x. So minus 2, when you take to the other side, it will become plus 2. 3x equal to 2, x equal to 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is a 0 of this polynomial p of x equal to 3x minus 2. Now next question, find 0 of the polynomial p of x is equal to ax where a is not equal to 0. So as usual, p of x, we want to find the 0 of this polynomial. So equate to 0. So we have ax is equal to 0. Now we need to find out the value of x. Keep x only on the left side. Bring 0 to the other side. So it will be 0 divided by a. We know 0 divided by any number is 0. So value of x is 0. So 0 of this polynomial is 0 only. So thank you for watching the video.